Hi, I'm Rachel with Carefree Crafting. I've got a quick last minute Christmas project for you. We've got napkins. They fold into Christmas trees. They start out as half circles. Downside of them is you have to iron them every time you use them. The upside is you're only going to use them once a year. This is the pattern. It is an 8-inch quarter circle. Place one side on the fold. You can get 2 of these out of a fat quarter. I realize this fat quarter is not Christmas fabric, but it's the only one I had to hand. You just place it on the fabric like that, and you cut around. And you end up with this shape. The way these go together is you put the right sides together. That's the pretty side on the inside. You want to leave a gap about that big so that you can get your hand in there to turn this around. So we'll start here, leaving a 1/4 inch seam. We'll just sew around. And what we're going to do, remember the opening? Now we're going to turn this inside out. If you have a lot of fabric here, you can clip your corners. I usually don't bother. Need some music or something while I'm doing this. Then we'll just take it over to the pressing area. You want to roll your seams like just between your fingers like that to get the stitching all the way to the edge, so that when you top stitch this, it looks tidy. And if that corner is being difficult, you can stick a pencil or something down in there to pop it out. When you come to this area, you just tuck your raw edges in. And press them into place. Now we're ready to top stitch this. And this time we're going to go all the way around. About 1/8 of an inch from the edge. Sorry, I know my sewing machine is loud, but I like it because it's fast. Among other things. We're just going to give this a quick press to relax the stitches. And then to do the fold, you have to do this on the iron. Pick a point about 1/3 of the way through, and then just accordion fold it. But the point that you picked is the tip of your tree. Now you press this. If you've used quilting fabric, you can use a lot of steam, and then you'll end up with a sharp press. And you're ready to set the table for Christmas. We'll have a video of a coordinating table runner with these same fabrics.